Hey, I'm meteorologist Chad Garno, and you're watching a special edition of the Arkansas Extreme Weather Blog for January 8th, 2011. Several topics to get to in the weather department. Of course, the most important being snowfall in the state for Sunday as we also go into Monday morning. So let's get through this and show you the most important factors, and that is with snowfall. So that's all we're really going to show you in this blog. We're not going to go over tower cams, current conditions, talking about the weather throughout the rest of today. It's going to be just sunny, temperatures in the 40s. Thermometers will drop to the 20s later tonight. The big story will be what's going on for Sunday. As you're waking up for Sunday morning, this is 6 a.m. The RPM model, the Rapid Precision Mesoscale model that we typically use in the Fox 16 studios, is showing us a low-pressure system forming over the heart of Texas, a good rain band moving through the southeast coast of the Lone Star State, while in Arkansas, we are completely dry. This model showing some potential for some freezing rain, trying to get close to our southern border around 12 p.m., but still looking good for us, and we're just going to be stocked with cloud cover, temperatures hovering in the upper 20s, low 30s. Here's a look at a snapshot of 6 p.m. This is where we think the snow is really going to start coming down in the southern part of the state. And that's not to say it can't fall down either in Little Rock, but you see a larger swath of snowfall in the southeast portion of the state. That's where we think the greatest potential for the high amounts of snow will be. Also, you notice some good freezing rain as you get closer toward Texarkana and also on the extreme southern border of Arkansas. We move forward into time. This is looking at midnight on Monday morning, and you can see some light flurries over central Arkansas, heavier snowfall in eastern Arkansas. The heaviest band of snow is being depicted in north Mississippi. So that's being depicted by this model. Still some freezing rain, looks like, mixing in with that snow in southeast Arkansas. So not only do we have to be concerned about the snowfall amount there, but also the mixing of some ice and sleet, if this is right. We go to 7 a.m. on Monday. This is when we're going to be possibly going to work and going to school, and we could have some leftover flurries. Not looking any large accumulation of snow at this point of the day. And as we get to 12 p.m. Monday, most of the snowfall is already out of here. We got light flurries in northeast Arkansas and more snow you can see being depicted in Kansas and into the middle of Oklahoma. Here's a look at the North American model run. This is the NAM operational run. This is validated here at 12Z, so this is 6 a.m., and it was initialized earlier today around 12 p.m., and it's showing, again, that low-pressure system developing in Texas, strong showers, and also even some thunderstorms just west of Houston going into the southeast portion of the Lone Star State. Arkansas is dry at this point. Looks like right around 3 p.m. Sunday, this is where it starts bringing in the freezing mixture into the southern border of the state. Also could see some light snow developing at this time period as well. And then according to this model, the snow really starts to kick in as we get closer toward 9 p.m. on Sunday night. This is showing a good swath of snow over southern Arkansas. Could see some snow also in Little Rock. And the best accumulation, it looks like, according to this model, is southeast Arkansas as you get closer toward Monticello. This is 6 a.m. on Monday. We're still with the NAM here, giving us some light flurries to start off our morning, and then the snow is out of here by 12 p.m. Monday. Looking at the GFS, the Global Forecast System, this model was initialized at 6 a.m. this morning. We're still waiting for the 18Z run. And we're looking ahead. This is validated at 18Z Sunday, so this is already, we're just skipping ahead here. All the models are saying we're going to be dry to start off in the morning, so we're fine Sunday morning. It's going into late afternoon hours of Sunday and into the evening hours. That's when we'll get the transfer from rain to freezing rain, maybe a little bit of sleet in southern Arkansas, and possibly seeing snow in central part of the state. So this is 18Z GFS showing heavy rain over Houston, thunderstorms there, some light to moderate showers mixing with some sleet in southern Arkansas. And there you can see the switch over to snow will be happening around 6 p.m., according to the GFS, in central and especially in southern Arkansas, where they're going to get a good band of snow if this is right. And we're looking ahead to 12 a.m. midnight time for Monday morning. Another good band of snow in eastern Arkansas, also a good band moving through in Little Rock. And you can see the low is starting to track its way over to the east. This is 12Z Monday, 6 a.m. Most of the snow, the heavy amounts, are gone. We just got light flurries over central and northeast Arkansas. And skipping ahead real quickly, since this is a long-term model and it's fairly reliable, we're looking to Monday night into Tuesday morning. Another chance of some light snow in northern Arkansas. We're not really highlighting a big event for this time period, just maybe an additional quarter to a half inch of snow for the extreme northern part of the state. We're not expecting a whole lot of snowfall accumulations in the center part of the state. Snowfall accumulations. This is the GFS, and this is initialized again at 12Z. Shows the greatest snowfall totals getting closer toward Pine Bluff, getting closer toward Grant County, and just southeast of Hot Springs, with potential of getting close to 6 inches. If this is correct, 6 inches, that's almost half a foot. We've got problems with that, and of course that's just south of Little Rock, where Little Rock is being depicted right around 3 inches. So it's heavy on the amount of snow, mainly just south of Little Rock, although the NAM is slightly different. Here's a look at the North American model run, and this is 12Z as well, so initialized at 6 a.m., showing the greatest potential for snow in the southeast portion of the state, especially near Monticello, where they can get more than 6 inches. This is according to the NAM. And you can see Little Rock, not crazy about snow here, just a dusting of maybe 1, possibly 2 inches just south of the downtown area. Where you see the yellow, that's estimating at 3 inches of snow, so 3 inches possible just south of Hot Springs, and could be around 5 inches closer toward Arkadelphia. So obviously we're highlighting this event we've talked about before, central to southern Arkansas, likely to see some snow. The greatest snowfall amounts look to be south and especially southeast Arkansas. Worst case scenario, we see 6 inches or a little more in southeast Arkansas. The conservative values we're getting from our model run in-house at Fox 16, it's showing only 4 to possibly 5 inches. So it's trimming down the inches of snow a little bit in southeast Arkansas. Still looks like a good event for those guys near Pine Bluff and Monticello. Little Rock, again, 1 to 2 inches look like we're going to stick around with that in the forecast. And if you live north of Little Rock, not going to be exactly a big deal. You'll be lucky to get a good dusting in Russellville, Batesville, and going into Jonesboro. So that is a recap of what's going on with the snow event for Sunday night into Monday morning. Again, we're going to review more model runs as we get them at the studio. I'll have better depictions of the snowfall projections as we get into the evening hours tonight. So that is it for the Arkansas Extreme Weather Post for today. I'll have more notes, obviously, in the blog as well. Jeff will also make additional changes as well. Be sure to watch me on Fox 16 this evening at 9 o'clock. Thank you so much for taking time out of your weekend, and have a wonderful afternoon.